On a sunny morning in suburban Texas, Ryan Parker was fixing the fence on his small ranch when his phone buzzed. The message made him laugh out loud, a lawsuit from a woman he barely knew. Karen, the self-proclaimed HOA queen from the neighborhood, next door. Her complaint? Living outside HOA rules is damaging the community's value. Ryan shook his head, amused. He didn't even live in their HOA. But if Karen wanted to play games, she had no idea she'd just challenged a man who knew the law better than her entire board combined. Karen strutted around the neighborhood like she owned it. To her, Ryan's little ranch was an eyesore in her perfect suburban paradise. Filing the lawsuit made her feel powerful. At the HOA meeting, she bragged, "By next month, that ranch will be gone." What she didn't know was that Ryan had already pulled every county record and zoning law on his property. Her lawsuit wasn't just weak, it was laughable. And Ryan was about to prove it in a way Karen would never forget. Ryan didn't rush. He spent days calmly gathering evidence, every deed, zoning code, and legal clause neatly organized in a folder. His attorney friend looked at the papers and chuckled. "She's got no case. Let's make this quick." Meanwhile, Karen was busy, spreading rumors in the neighborhood, certain she'd win. She had no idea that her 3-minute humiliation was coming, and it would be in front of the entire HOA board. The day of the hearing, Karen walked in, heels clicking, smug smile in place. Ryan arrived calm and collected, documents in hand. When the clerk called their case, Ryan stood, presenting every record that proved one simple fact: his property wasn't under HOA control, and never would be. The judge barely needed 3 minutes. "Case dismissed," he said sharply. This lawsuit had no legal grounds. Karen's face went pale. The room buzzed as whispers spread. The queen of the HOA had just been humiliated. Ryan simply nodded politely, gathered his papers, and walked out without another word. He didn't need to celebrate. The silence of the board, the stunned look on Karen's face, that was victory enough. By evening, the entire neighborhood knew what had happened. Neighbors who once sided with Karen now avoided her. Some even came by Ryan's ranch to apologize. "We didn't know she went that far," one man admitted. Ryan didn't hold grudges. "It's fine," he said calmly. "Just, maybe next time, pick your battles wisely." Weeks later, Karen resigned from the HOA board, her empire crumbling under her own arrogance. Ryan returned to his peaceful life, tending to his horses, enjoying the quiet. He never bragged or gloated. He didn't need to. Because in the end, the best revenge wasn't shouting from the rooftops. It was simply living free, happy, and completely outside the reach of anyone who tried to control him.